India, a land of vibrant cultures and diverse landscapes, stands as one of the world's largest democracies. Yet, within its vast expanse, a stark developmental contrast exists between its southern and northern regions. Today, we delve into this disparity, seeking to understand why South India emerges as the beacon of progress while the North grapples with persistent challenges. Centuries of rich history have shaped the trajectory of both regions. South India boasts ancient civilizations like the Cholas and the Vijayanagara Empire, fostering early advancements in art, architecture, and trade. In contrast, North India, while witnessing illustrious dynasties like the Mauryas and the Mughals, also faced numerous invasions and upheavals, disrupting its developmental continuity. A cornerstone of development, education flourishes in South India. States like Kerala and Tamil Nadu boast high literacy rates and a robust educational infrastructure. Conversely, northern states struggle with educational disparities, hindering human capital development and economic progress. The South has embraced economic diversification, with thriving sectors ranging from information technology in Bangalore to automotive manufacturing in Chennai. Meanwhile, northern states grapple with over-reliance on agriculture, vulnerable to fluctuations and climate change impacts. Political stability and effective governance play pivotal roles in fostering development. South Indian states have exhibited relatively stable political landscapes, enabling long-term policy implementation and infrastructure investment. In contrast, frequent political unrest and administrative challenges in the north impede developmental initiatives. Southern states prioritize social welfare, with pioneering initiatives in healthcare and poverty alleviation. Kerala's model of healthcare delivery and Tamil Nadu's public distribution system stand as benchmarks for equitable development. Conversely, northern states face hurdles in implementing effective social welfare schemes, exacerbating socio-economic disparities. Investments in infrastructure catalyze economic growth and enhance livability. South India boasts modern transportation networks, including well-connected highways and efficient public transit systems. In contrast, inadequate infrastructure plagues many northern regions, stifling economic potential and quality of life. Cultural diversity is a hallmark of Indian society, yet regional disparities often intersect with communal tensions. South India exemplifies harmonious coexistence, fostering a conducive environment for social cohesion and collective progress. In contrast, communal conflicts and identity politics in the north impede unity and hinder development efforts. Preserving natural resources and mitigating environmental degradation are imperative for sustainable development. Southern states prioritize environmental conservation, implementing innovative policies to combat pollution and promote renewable energy adoption. Conversely, northern regions grapple with rampant pollution and resource depletion, posing long-term threats to development. The status of women is a barometer of societal progress. South India leads in women empowerment, with higher female workforce participation and greater gender parity in education. Conversely, northern states struggle with gender-based discrimination and entrenched patriarchal norms, limiting women's socio-economic mobility. Access to quality healthcare is a fundamental human right and a key driver of development. Southern states prioritize healthcare accessibility, with well-equipped hospitals and extensive primary care networks. In contrast, inadequate healthcare infrastructure and limited access to services hinder health outcomes in many northern regions. Embracing technological advancements fuels economic growth and enhances competitiveness. South India emerges as a hub of technological innovation, with thriving startup ecosystems and research institutions. Conversely, northern states lag in technological adoption, impeding their ability to harness the benefits of the digital age. Agriculture remains a vital sector, especially in rural economies. Southern states have pioneered agricultural reforms, promoting sustainable practices and enhancing productivity. Conversely, northern regions grapple with agrarian distress, compounded by water scarcity and inadequate support systems. Migration trends reflect regional disparities in economic opportunities and quality of life. South India attracts migrants seeking employment opportunities and better living standards, contributing to its demographic diversity and economic dynamism. Conversely, outmigration from northern states reflects challenges in job creation and livelihood security. Cities serve as engines of growth, requiring efficient urban planning and infrastructure development. South Indian cities prioritize sustainable urbanization with integrated planning approaches and emphasis on livability indicators. In contrast, many northern cities face congestion, pollution, and inadequate amenities, hampering quality of life. Industrialization drives economic transformation and creates employment opportunities. South India's strategic focus on industrial development has led to the establishment of manufacturing hubs and industrial clusters, generating jobs and fostering entrepreneurship. In contrast, northern states face hurdles in industrial growth, marked by bureaucratic red tape and inadequate infrastructure, constraining job creation and economic diversification. Connectivity and trade networks are essential for regional integration and economic prosperity. South India benefits from well-established trade routes and ports, facilitating international commerce and investment. In contrast, inadequate connectivity and trade infrastructure in the north impede market access and limit economic growth potential, exacerbating regional disparities. Cultural heritage and tourism play significant roles in economic development and cultural exchange. South India's rich heritage sites and diverse cultural traditions attract tourists from around the globe, contributing to revenue generation and job creation. Conversely, northern states struggle to capitalize on their cultural assets, hampered by infrastructure deficits and inadequate promotional efforts. As we reflect on the developmental disparities between South and North India, it becomes evident that the path to inclusive growth requires addressing multifaceted challenges and harnessing opportunities for synergistic progress. Bridging the developmental gap demands a holistic approach, encompassing education, governance reforms, infrastructure development, and social welfare initiatives. By fostering collaboration and collective action, India can realize its potential as a dynamic and equitable nation, where every region thrives and contributes to the nation's prosperity. And hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.